Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your financial security with Charles Schwab, full guide step by step clearly. To protect your financial security with Charles Schwab, start by opening an account. Visit the Charles Schwab website and choose the type of account that suits your needs. Complete the online application form with your personal information. Provide details about your financial situation and investment goals. Verify your identity by uploading the required documents. Once your account is approved, fund it by linking your bank account. Next, explore the various investment options available at Schwab. Consider diversifying your portfolio by investing in stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Use the Schwab research tools to analyze potential investments. Set financial goals and establish a plan to reach them. Monitor your investments regularly through the Schwab platform. Take advantage of Schwab's financial planning resources. Consider working with a Schwab financial advisor for personalized guidance. Be proactive in adjusting your investment strategy as needed. Stay informed about market trends and economic factors that may impact your investments. Utilize Schwab's educational resources to enhance your financial literacy. Review your progress toward your financial goals periodically. Make use of Schwab's tools for budgeting and managing expenses. Implement strategies for risk management to safeguard your assets. Remain disciplined in your investment approach and avoid emotional decisions. Take advantage of tax-efficient investment options offered by Schwab. Stay connected with Schwab's customer service for any questions or concerns. By following these steps, you can effectively protect your financial security with Charles Schwab. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.